So I've kind of been a little bit of a hermit lately, and I do not like it. And because the weather is not really bad. It's just, I don't like it. It's too cold. I'll give you guys a pan around. See, I'm starting to finally get some different colored clouds. But yesterday was okay. As you guys can tell by my voice, I'm starting to lose my voice because I've been a hermit. I barely talk, so. But that's pretty much what I've been doing lately, and I really gotta clean my room. I'll give you a pan round. I've been lazy, and I have friends over, and all that crap, and now my room is almost completely trashed. I'm just finally doing my laundry, and yeah. Give you a quick pan around. It's disgusting, and I really gotta clean it. So I am feeling more energetic today. Well, you guys were down there. I'm sorry, guys. But yeah, right now I am going to be tidying up my room. Ignore the bar rescue thing in the back, and put away my laundry. And my mom says she's gonna give me something for my room, so I kind of have to make some room. And I'm gonna be moving everything. I'll be doing another room tour, probably in the next couple of weeks once I get everything all organized. Like, I should probably have that done within the next couple days. But I have a clip from yesterday. We decided to go to a car show, so you guys will be seeing that. And I had to keep it down, the camera down by my side, because I knew so many people there, and they would just look at me weird. And yeah, I really did not want to have them call me or talk to me and be like, why do you have a camera? Why are you doing that? So I decided just to keep it down by my side, and you guys might get some butt shots. Not sure. I really haven't looked at it, so if you guys get some butt shots, I apologize in advance. So I'll let you guys watch it, and here we go. Oh, and if I don't close this out, I'll see you guys on the flippity flop side.
This one or the red one?
This is Michelle's car. 52 years ago. It's an Impala.
Yeah. And then this one here. Nope, he doesn't have one. It is. Wow. It's got a Hummer transmission.
I already took pictures of that one. But up it's outside.
Candy and the red.
Look at the mini one. This one just takes. This is the car. This makes it clean.
if I had one of these. I don't remember. I think this was a 68. What is it? I knew it was
Everything on the way home. You know what's bad?
car.